Hello everybody, welcome back to a few more days of sales.
Never to the left. Oh, that cart with a jack of wheel.
Oh god, oh god. Oh god. Ew, this looks terrible.
Alrighty, so today is Thursday, March 18th, and Thursdays have just been crap lately, to put it bluntly. I don't know what it is about Thursdays, but we just don't do well on Thursdays. And I don't know why, but for whatever reason, Thursday is normally really bad, Friday starts to get a little better, and then Saturday and Sunday and Monday we're really cooking. So I guess it is what it is, you know. We'll go with it. So today we only got 3 things to go over with you, so sorry, but you know, it was a little light. First things first, this was a sale from last weekend's estate sale. You saw these. These are the Hands bookends. They are onyx marble, made in Mexico. Kind of cool. We're not real big bookend people, but these are certainly pretty cool. Here's the other one. So these are actually bought by a viewer. So Brian, thank you so much for your purchase. Really appreciate it. You are now the number 2 person that has told me you bought something. We've had a few people out there that bought stuff and just didn't tell me about it. But so to thank you to all of you that have bought things and didn't say anything. But Brian, you are the 2nd person that has told me. So thank you so much for your purchase. We really appreciate it. Next on the list is a glass. It's a popple glass. I have to put my hand behind it or else it'll never focus. It's a glass with a popple on it. Those of you that grew up in the 80s remember popples, I'm sure. This was a thrift store purchase. In fact, the price tag's still on the bottom of it. I have to remove that before we ship it out. Thrift store purchase. We thought this would sell for a little more money than it did, but it didn't. $12 plus shipping. Still not bad for a glass. And last for today, short day, is an insulated cup, a Zach insulated cup. Kind of like the Yetis or Arctic cups. This one's pretty good. We got a couple of them. One of them, someone gave it to me for Christmas, and we bought a few more of them and decided to sell one of them. So this is a vacuum steel, stainless steel, kind of little mug here. You know, for your morning coffee. I don't drink coffee, but a lot of people do. My fiance does. She drinks enough for both of us. So, yeah. So this sold for $13.50 plus shipping. Hello, everybody. Welcome to Friday, March 19th. A few sales to go over with you today. True to form, you know, Friday's been a little bit better than Thursday, but not much. So I don't know what's going on with Thursdays and Fridays lately. It's just been a little slow. Saturday tends to pick up. Sunday normally is really good, and Monday is normally really good. But for some reason, Thursday and Friday, just not great. But we had some good sales today. We had one really big sale, well, bigger sale. So happy about that. So let's get right into it. First thing on the list is a record. This is K-Tel's Starburst. It's a compilation record. It's actually a 2 LP set. It's got people like Rick James, Robert Palmer, Johnny Mathis. Who else is on here? Eddie Money's on here. Meatloaf's on here and so forth. So, compilation record. This one sold for $7 plus shipping. Next on the list, a book. Can you guess what book it is? 1984 by George Orwell. Sold for how much? $9.89 plus shipping. It's the magic number for us. We have no problem selling. In fact, people send us offers on these all the time and we just turn them down because we have absolutely zero problem selling them for $9.89. So, next on the list, our big sale for the week. It's this. This is a 2001 Upper Deck #1 Tiger Woods rookie card. See if I can get that to focus. There we go. It has been certified by Beckett, as you can see at the top. It is a 9.5 out of 10, so it's damn near perfect. It sold for $112. Sounds a little low, doesn't it? And it is. This card, if it was perfect, would sell for about $300 or $400. The way it sits. So with the 9.5 certification and the way it is in this case, it would sell for about $300 or $400. The reason it didn't is right there. So there's a crack in the case. Now, having said that, I've looked at it from every angle I could possibly look at it from without taking it out of this case, because taking it out of the case pretty much just null and voids this. I've looked at it from every angle, and it doesn't look like the crack got through the second layer of sealing. So there's another case inside here. Doesn't look like it got through all the way to there. So more than likely the card is fine. I'd say 95% that card in there has not been touched by this crack. In fact, you can see on the back where the deepest part of the crack is, and it is nowhere near this card. So more than likely the card's fine. Had this little notch not been in this case, it would have been $300 or $400. Unfortunately, it wasn't. We didn't pay that much for this card, so this is still a profit for us. However, it would have been worth a lot more had that crack not been there. Anyways, $112 plus shipping for Tiger here. Next on the list, a Funko Pop. We don't sell a lot of Funko Pops, but every now and again we'll grab them if the price is right. We paid $5 for this little guy. Or no, I'm sorry. Yeah, we paid $5 for this little guy. This is a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle Funko Pop. This is Michelangelo. It is a newer one. This one sold for $11.50 plus shipping. Oh, I'm sorry. Free shipping on Michelangelo. My bad. Next on the list, some jeans. Have to, right? These are Levi's Signature, so they are the cheaper version of Levi's. These are women's jeans, size 18. They are pull-on skinny jeans. These sold for $16 plus shipping. We got these retail arbitrage at Walmart for $4. So, pretty good little flip there. Next on the list, hanging up right here, it's an Aquaman t-shirt. Still with the tags on it. We got this at that estate sale, full of vintage stuff and a few comic book t-shirts and things of that nature, peanuts and so forth, that were still brand new with the tag. So we grabbed a whole bunch of those, paid $3 a piece, sold Aquaman for $12.50 plus shipping. Last on the list today is some Barbie doll stuff. You saw us pick this up last weekend at that estate sale. We sold 2 of these Barbie mopeds. And then we sold a box of Barbie and Ken dolls right there. There's a couple different types of Barbies, a couple different types of Kens. If you're really curious as to what ended, jump back to the estate sale from last weekend and you can check out what's in this box. It's nothing too vintage, probably mid-90s Barbies, nothing too rare either. So these sold for $26 plus shipping. Alright guys, and that's it for Thursday and Friday's What Sold videos. Well, we're going to be picking up some estate sales this coming weekend, so look forward to those. In fact, you are watching this on Saturday, so we are probably at a few of those right now as we speak, or we're home resting because we got up super early in the morning again. So think of us while you're watching this video. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. I know there's a few of you out there that still need to subscribe. Doesn't cost you a penny, I promise. If you hit that subscribe button and they ask you for money, contact me directly and I'll make sure that does not happen. But it won't, so don't worry. So hit that subscribe button. And if you like this video, give the video a thumbs up. Really would appreciate it. And that's about it. Make sure to do what you do normally. Comment and share. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Good day, sir!